Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study some important concepts on the topic air and its pollution. It's one of the important topics of science. In this video I will be covering why air is important for living beings. Moreover, I will also demonstrate some properties of air through simple experiments. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक ज़रूर करिए एंड जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको आई विल ब्रीफ यू व्हाट ऑल वी विल बी कवरिंग इन दिस वीडियो। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द properties of air through simple experiments. Also, we will discuss some causes of air pollution in the environment and surroundings. We can also suggest remedies or ways to reduce air pollution in the environment to stop global warming. I hope everybody is very clear what all we are covering in this video. As we all know that air is present everywhere, yes, but you cannot see the air. You can only feel its presence. For example, if I take a newspaper, fold it and move it sideways near the face, what do you feel? We will feel some air, some cold air on our face. Similarly, if I take an empty balloon, blow air into it, what will happen? The balloon will inflate. Yes, and if I take out the air from the balloon, it will deflate. That means that air is present but we cannot see the air. Yes. Similarly, on a windy day, we observe dust blowing in the air. Yes, so moving air is called wind. Branches and leaves of the trees sway when wind blows. चलिए अब हम समझते हैं हमारी स्क्रीन पे you can see a picture of air pollution. Yes. Now what is air pollution? Air pollution is the contamination of atmosphere by waste from the sources such as industrial burning and automobiles exhaust. Now human activities की वजह से air pollution होता है. Yes, factories से जो smoke निकलती है. Yes, vehicles, motor vehicles से जो pollution निकलता है atmosphere में, that causes air pollution. This pollution can be solid, liquid or gases. Most air pollution is result from the human activities. Some air pollution is natural like dust, pollen, spores and sulfur dioxide during volcanic eruptions. Now as you all know that when there is a volcanic eruption there is a tremendous amount of heat and gases coming out. So the gas which is major in composition is sulfur dioxide, which is one of the major pollutants of the air. Yes. Now we will understand the composition of air. Now as you all know that air is a mixture of gases. Now बहुत सारी gases को मिला के हमारी air की composition बनती है. As you can see on your screen that more than 3/4 of the air is a gas called nitrogen. आप देख सकते हैं blue portion which is marked as 78%. Yes, so this is what? This is the major component as nitrogen. Then about 1/5 is the gas called oxygen. 21% atmosphere में oxygen होता है. What about this small orange and red portion? Carbon dioxide and many other gases are present in very small amount. Yes. In addition to these, air contains water vapor, dust particles, smoke and germs. Yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic as properties of air. Now what are the properties of air? The properties of air are, first property in the screen you can see invisible. That means air has no color. Air, since we cannot see the air around us, it is colorless. Yes. Now air occupies space. Now air fills up the space. जितनी भी जगह एयर को मिलती है वो भर जाता है. अगर हम बलून में जितनी एयर हम भरेंगे उतना बलून बड़ा हो जाएगा. एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट समझते हैं. जैसे इफ़ यू होल्ड एन एम्प्टी ग्लास अपसाइड डाउन, आप देखिए स्क्रीन पे. इफ़ आई होल्ड एन एम्प्टी ग्लास upside down and insert it into the bowl of water without tilting it, does water get into the glass? No, it doesn't. The water was not able to enter the glass because air occupied the space in the glass. Yes, तो इस वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट से ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि एयर ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. अब आप देखिए स्क्रीन पे, इट सेज एयर हैज़ वेट. आप देख सकते हैं एक तरफ हमने बलून, वी हैव 2 balloons on either sides. One balloon has air and one does not have air. So obviously जिसमें air है, that portion is heavy. So air has weight. Yes. So इसका एग्जाम्पल और लेते हैं एक और. If we weigh a deflated football on a weighing scale, ठीक है, एक deflated football लो, उसको weigh करो weighing machine पे, आपको उसका कुछ weight आएगा. Then if you fill in the air, then you will find some weight, and definitely the weight of the deflated football will be less than the weight of the inflated football. This is because the air filled into it has weight. दो प्रॉपर्टीज यहाँ पे मैं ऐड करना चाहूँगी. एयर डज नॉट हैव शेप ऑफ इट्स ओन. यस, बलून है, बलून की शेप ले ली एयर ने. अगर हम उसको साइकिल के टायर में अगर हवा भरेंगे तो साइकिल के टायर की शेप हवा ले लेगी. तो एयर की अपनी कोई शेप नहीं होती. सिमिलरली एयर डज नॉट टेक अ फिक्स्ड स्पेस. कोई स्पेसिफिक जगह नहीं होती है, एयर इवनली स्प्रेड हो जाती है. यस, कंप्रेस्ड एयर सिलेंडर इन यूज बाय स्कूबा डाइवर्स. तो वो फिक्स स्पेस नहीं है, वो जो स्पेस हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे एयर को, उसमें एयर पूरी भर जाती है. Now, this is a small experiment which says that air is needed for burning. Now, which air is needed for burning is oxygen is required for burning. The oxygen in the air is necessary for burning. Without oxygen, burning cannot take place. Carbon dioxide is given out during burning. आप देख सकते हैं on your screen that there is a candle. Yes, एक कैंडल है जो जल रही है. Yes, सेकेंड कैंडल को जैसे ही मैंने लिड से कवर किया वो बुझ गई. क्यों बुझ गई? क्योंकि उसको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली और उससे रिलीज क्या हो गई? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट है छोटा सा हमारा, बहुत इजी एक्सपेरिमेंट है. वी विल लाइट 2 कैंडल्स, कवर वन ऑफ द लाइटेड कैंडल्स विद अ बेल जार. राइट, observe both the candles for few minutes. What will you observe? You will observe that the uncovered candle continues to burn. The covered candle goes out. Do you know why? The uncovered candle continues to get oxygen. Yes, जो जिस कैंडल को हमने लिड से कवर नहीं करा है उस कैंडल को ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है, इसलिए वो जल रही है. Now the covered candle used up by all the oxygen in the jar and stop burning due to the absence of oxygen. So ये experiment बहुत important है from your examination point of view. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें एंड शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो ज़रूर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज़. अब हम पढ़ते हैं यूजेस ऑफ द एयर. दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. एवरीबडी नोज दैट plants and animals need air to live. Yes, as a humans we also need air to breathe. Humans need air to breathe. Second point. Third, birds fly because there is air. Now how do birds fly? With the help of air. Air में pressure होता है जिसकी वजह से birds fly करती है. We fill air in the balloons, footballs and cycle tires. Air is needed for burning, as I told you, because in the presence of oxygen only the air will burn. Air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat and windmill. Now here I would like to add something, that air helps in the rotation of windmills which produces electricity. Now the places where windmills have been installed, those places are located far away from the cities, due to which there is tremendous amount of air which helps the windmill to rotate faster. Now as fast the windmill rotate, the faster the windmill rotate, faster the electricity is produced. Also, air helps in drying things such as wet clothes and wet surfaces. Air is used to inflate footballs and balloons. Air helps the birds and aircrafts to fly, helps in sailing of the boats. I hope everybody is clear with the properties of air and uses of air. Now let us move to the different ways of breathing. Now you can see on your screen that there are certain organisms. As you can see that chicken is a hen breathes through lungs. Fish breathes through gills. Caterpillar breathes through spiracles. Now any insects which breathes through tiny holes on their bodies is called as spiracles. Sponge, outflow inflow through the molds present on the sponge. Spider, book lung. Okay, now all living things need air to stay alive. Yes, the process by which air is taken in and given out of the body is called breathing. I will repeat the definition of breathing here. The process by which air is taken in and given out of the body is called breathing. We breathe in air through our nose. This process is called inhalation. Our lungs pass oxygen from air to the blood. Now here I am explaining you the process of breathing in human beings. Please understand it very carefully. As you can see on your screen, I have labeled two: exhalation and inhalation. Now what is inhalation? When we are breathing in the air, and when we breathe out the air, it's called exhalation. Our lungs pass the oxygen from the air to the blood. Blood carries oxygen to all parts of the body. Oxygen burns the food present in our body and converts it into energy for work and play. The burning of food produces carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide through our nose. Now this process, breathing out of the air, is called exhalation. Now carbon dioxide is absorbed by plants and again converted into oxygen. Now ये एक cyclic process है. We take in the oxygen which is received from the plants. We give out carbon dioxide which is used up by the plants to again produce oxygen and release back in the atmosphere. Yes, you can see the diaphragms. When we exhale, our diaphragm shifts up, and when we inhale, the diaphragm shifts out. Okay, now what are the effects of air pollution? Since air pollution means contamination of harmful germs in the atmosphere, so smoke contains harmful ozone layer. Yes, now what are the effects of air pollution? सबसे पहले हमको प्रॉब्लम क्या अराइज होती है एयर पोल्यूशन से? इज अस्थमा. यस, अस्थमा. The polluted air can cause breathing problems, coughing, sneezing, headache, eyes irritation. Also, living in polluted areas can cause serious respiratory disease. As you can see on your screen, ज़्यादातर respiratory problems हैं like asthma, bronchitis, lung cancer, है ना. तो क्या ये क्यों होती है? क्योंकि air is also getting polluted by the germs of diseases. So when people with respiratory diseases like flu, cold or tuberculosis sneeze or cough, harmful germs enter the air. Yes, when we are sneezing, the germs from our body enter the air. People who are nearby can easily catch the infection through air. So that is why it is said that respiratory problems, cough, sneeze, cold, flu, all of them are communicable diseases. Okay, so we have heart diseases, we have respiratory problem, we have birth defects, we have intellectual disorders because वो ब्रेन पे भी असर करता है. ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, इंटेंस कफ को ट्यूबरक्लोसिस बोलते हैं. इम्यून सिस्टम डैमेज हो जाता है, बहुत पुअर हो जाता है इम्यून सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स हम बहुत जल्दी कोई भी बीमारी कैच कर सकते हैं. Now, what are the health impacts of poor air quality? Now, one is air pollution and next is poor air quality. Now, when the quality of the air is bad, what happens is, first is we have irritation in our eyes, nose and throat. हमको breathing problems arise होती है. Then we have headache and anxiety which impacts on the central nervous system. Then we have cardiovascular diseases. Yes, cardiovascular heart से related disease, तो heart attack जो आता है वो cardiovascular की वजह से आता है हमको. Then we have impact on the respiratory system, that is irritation, inflammation and infection, asthma and reduced lung function. क्रॉनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिजीज, लंग कैंसर भी हो सकता है हमको पुअर एयर क्वालिटी से. देन वी हैव पुअर एयर क्वालिटी हैज़ अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन लिवर एंड स्प्लीन एंड द ब्लड, and it also impacts the reproductive system. Now, in order to curb the air pollution, we have air purifiers. You must have seen the air is pure and fresh where there are many green plants and trees. जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा greenery होती है वहीं पे air बहुत fresh होती है. That is why green plants are called natural air purifiers. That is why the green plants are called natural air purifiers. Now you can see on your screen that these are artificial purifiers which help you reduce the air pollution in the indoor settings. Yes, because the quality of the air in the atmosphere is not the same everywhere. So if we install these air purifiers in our homes, we can get a better quality of air. I hope जो मेरा वीडियो देख रहा है, that person is liking the video and sharing it further so that we get a huge amount of students all together. Okay, now what are the causes of air pollution? We have studied the properties of air, we have studied the uses of air, we have understood why air is causing harmful problems to human beings as well as to the environment. Now let us understand what are the causes. किससे होता है air pollution? Yes, every year 7 million people worldwide fall ill and die as consequences of air pollution, that due to which global warming is at an alarming rate. मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन करती हूँ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होता क्या है. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज द causing long summers, droughts and sudden floods. It is also causing the ice in the polar regions to melt. Now worldwide air pollution जब heat up हो जाता है अर्थ में उसको बोलते हैं global warming. Now air pollution is the biggest cause of global warming. Now what are the causes of air pollution? Burning of fossil fuel by the motor vehicles. Factories release smoke containing harmful gases. And metals like lead and mercury. Burning of coal, wood, dry leaves, plastic, garbage, etc. also releases smoke containing harmful gases. Now what is polluted air? इसकी भी definition हमें पता होनी चाहिए from examination point of view. Air containing dust, smoke, germs and toxic chemicals is called polluted air. Air containing dust, smoke, germs and toxic chemicals is called polluted air. A polluted air is not suitable for breathing. It affects our health as well as the environment. Now what are the various ways to reduce the air pollution? You can see on the screen that there are a lot of pictures depicting the ways to reduce the air pollution. Now here I will be describing each of them in detail. Now factories and power stations should filter out harmful pollutants before releasing the smoke into the air. Also factories should be located away from the cities. Yes. Eco-friendly fuels like CNG should be preferred over petrol or diesel for the vehicle. Walk or bicycle to short distances or use public transport instead of using personal motor vehicles. इस process को बोलते हैं carpooling. That means from particular locality 3 to 4 people ride together to a common meetup point and from there they can use public transport or ride their bike or cycle to short distances. इससे pollution reduce होता है. Instead of going 4 cars, if 4 people go together in one car, so pollution will be emitted only from one car. Conserve energy by switching off fans, lights when not in use. Large amount of fossil fuels are burned to produce electricity. Burning of garbage, leaves, wood should be avoided. We should keep the ventilators and windows of our houses open to allow smoke from cooking to move out and fresh air to come in. Green plants help in purifying the air, so we should plant trees wherever possible. So we must take these steps to prevent air pollution and save our environment from damage. Now these are certain facts about air pollution which I would like to share with everyone. Air pollution in India is estimated cause 527,700 deaths every year. In US, deaths are due to air pollution every year estimated to be 50,000. 80% lung cancers are caused due to air pollution by the vehicles, and 7,50,000 deaths in China prematurely due to air pollution. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा फैक्ट्रीज, जहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज़ होंगी सबसे ज़्यादा, वहाँ पे एयर पोल्यूशन नेचुरली हाई होगा. यूएस में एंड चाइना दे आर एट अलार्मिंग रेट्स. एंड लंग कैंसर्स, 80% लंग कैंसर्स एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से होते हैं. आई होप आप सबको समझ आ गया है व्हाट इज़ एयर पोल्यूशन एंड व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन and what are the uses and properties of air. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Now you can also find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates.